Okay, this is the all-new 2020 Subaru Outback XT Touring. This is the top-of-line vehicle from Subaru in terms of the Outback. So it means it's going to have a beautiful Nappa leather interior, but also our new turbocharged 2.4-liter engine with 260 horsepower. So you still have all the normal things you'd find on a Subaru, which is standard all-wheel drive, 8.7 inches of ground clearance, so the car is great for off-roading. And it's actually, with this new turbo engine, very, very quick. And once again, like I mentioned, much nicer interior. We've moved to an 11.6-inch center stack. That's the third largest screen you can buy on a car. And it's a lot more easy to use, better looking in terms of the interior with that new center stack. We can take a look.
Okay, perfect.
Very easy to use. We know our customers love heated seats. We've got front and rear heated seats, but this new touchscreen is very simple to use. Large buttons. We also have quite a few number of actual real knobs and buttons, so you can still control the stereo through that. You're not always having to search for things. You control the temperature for your air conditioning. We made it as simple to use as possible.
Interior is gorgeous.
It's really nice on this new. This is as I mentioned, this is the Touring Edition, so we've really upped the game when it came to the interior. Still very durable, and you can still get this car dirty. That's the great thing about an Outback. You can go to dinner in it when it's nice and clean. You can take it on the weekend and get it all dirty.
You don't expect always to be clean.
Yeah, it's great. And we have like subtle features like these roof rails. These are built into the car. When you're not using them, these roof rails swing back around and they fit right back into the top. So they're there when you want them. They're not. You don't have to go and find them in your garage. They're always there. We've got tons of cargo space. That's one of the things this is a workhorse, right? The pack mule. You've got a lot of space here in the rear. Like I said, we've got seat heaters back here. But once again, when you want to fold these seats down, you've got this great cargo area. It's really large. You could drop the seats with the pull of a button. So just drop down. It's very simple. You've got this huge open space. This comes off and it actually fits down here. Another neat feature, when you're coming home and you've got this right. Get this set up there. Yeah, when you come in and you've got a bunch of stuff, let's say you've got some big packages, but you've got your screen on, you can just basically hit that and it slides away and moves up, so you can put your parcels underneath. We also have an automatic closing gate on this car. Now, I don't have the key with me, but we have a sensor here, and you just basically can come up behind the car. It will know if the key is in your pocket. If the key is, you basically just wave it in front of this, and it opens the door. The other systems make you use your feet. It's like, let's say you're out in snow and ice, not going to be very functional. This is much easier. Just put your hand in front of it,
absolutely.
pops open, electric.
And you still have to have two hands in order to drive the car. So hand is always there.
But exactly. So, but it's much easier for loading packages in bad weather.
Yeah, I agree.
That's where it's really going to come into play. And getting over 33 miles per gallon, and it's just a really nice overall package. It's kind of that vehicle that does everything.
It is awesome. Let's check out the roof rack again.
Sure.
That's a great feature because very often I cannot find these.
See it on these because they have, but this is, so there's this little knob you pop up, okay, and this would swing out and lock down over on that side. This one swings back over here and locks into here. Boom, they're built in. You don't have to mess with putting them on or off. You basically just load your stuff onto them.
Perfect.
And especially if you go to the store, you're buying something you need to, boom, it's right there.
And when you're selling the car, they're always there. Later when you're selling your car. Exactly. So you'll sell the full package. So that's awesome. Great. 2020 model. Do you have a retail price for next year?
Base price is $23,000 for the normally aspirated car, and then I think the Tourings are a little bit above 30. So I think maximum you're still staying under $40,000 for the highest end one we make.